We talked a little bit about a break earlier, Neville, but now we know that the snow is going to come in. So anyone that's outside, please take it inside.
Yeah, you said it right there, Bria, because this next round, it is starting to develop, become more widespread off to our west, and it's heading in our direction. So for now, we're in that lull, that kind of in between. The first area of snow we had for most of the day, and the next one that's coming in. We're looking over the plaza. Roads are still looking mainly wet. Our temperature, it's been pretty much hanging out at 33 degrees all day long. We have a wind chill of 23. There's that wind, and the wind will increase here overnight heading into our morning hours tomorrow. So right now we have a steady wind at around 15 miles an hour, gusting closer to 25. That wind will increase more so to like 20 to 25 miles an hour, gusting up near 45 miles an hour. That's on the way overnight. For right now, we're looking at first alert radar. Most of the metro we're dry. There might just be a few flurries out there, but as we get a little bit to the west of the 435 loop, go down 35 closer to Gardner, also I-70 westward towards Lawrence. Now we're seeing part of that next round that's developing and heading up into the metro, into the 435 loop, and then areas eventually towards the north and east. More of that snow out closer to Topeka, southward towards Garnett and Ottawa. You see how it's filling in? This is the trend that will continue through the night. Our temperatures are still holding at or above freezing area-wide. 32 in Liberty, 33 for Olathe and Overland Park, 34 in Belton, same for Lee Summit, right at freezing for Warrensburg. We have that east wind at around 15 miles an hour for most areas. Here's the timeline on the snow. So we had a little bit of this drier air move in, and that's why we're getting that lull for right now. But then that next round will develop and start rolling in, especially over the next several hours. I'd say after about 1 or 2 o'clock, we'll really see that snow filling in. Here's a look at 6 a.m. So for the morning drive tomorrow, snow, you see all those blue arrows? Strong north wind, as I mentioned, gusting up near 45 miles an hour. So this will likely slow down our morning drive tomorrow. First News, we're going to be on early at 4 o'clock. So get up early, tune into First News. We will let you know how the drive is looking. Nick will have you updated on radar as far as what the snow is doing. As we head through the morning, that snow is going to stick around area-wide. Here's a look at noon. Still snowing, still windy. Then as we go through the second half of your Tuesday, that snow starts to move out. So we're going to be drier by the time we get towards your Tuesday evening commute. If you have Tuesday evening plans, we're looking better then. Something else I want to show you, potential lightning. I'm sure you probably have heard of the term thunder snow. Well, if you have lightning during snow, you have thunder snow. And here you go. Notice that we're picking up on the possibility of some lightning strikes. You see some of that here in these white blotches. So there might be some rumbles of thunder with the snow. And when you get that, you get those higher snowfall rates. So that snow can accumulate faster when that's occurring. So how much snow are we talking about? Really minimal changes if you watched our earlier evening newscasts. Around the metro, 3 to 6 inches. So in that range, the farther south you live, the more likely you're going to be in the lower end of that range. Olathe over towards Lee Summit. The farther north you live, a higher chance for you to be on the higher end of that range. Liberty over towards Leavenworth. Atchison, St. Joe, Cameron, 6 to 9 inches possible for you. A little closer to Trenton, more so heading up into northeastern Missouri. Some spots could top out at 9 to 12 inches. So 3 to 6 for the metro, 6 to 9 north, 1 to 3 or less the farther south and especially southeast that you go. In the metro area, generally that 3 to 6, higher north, lower to the south. So something to be aware of if you do have to head out tonight or if you have to head out in the morning tomorrow. That snow will be here. That weather alert is going to continue through the morning, even though the heaviest of that snow is before 10 a.m. After that, it's still snowing, just not quite as hard. And then it starts to taper off, but there will likely still be slick spots. So that weather alert through about 2 o'clock in the afternoon. Then we knock it down to a weather impact because then it's more so, it's not as hazardous, not as dangerous then. The visibility will start to improve. The snow eases up, but still we want to make sure that you know to be extra cautious for the second half of your day on Tuesday as well. 9-day forecast. Wednesday, we dry things out. That'll be a calmer day. We get some sunshine too. We'll start out at 10 degrees, but we should, depending on how much snow is on the ground, get back above freezing. Clouds increase again on Thursday. Snow comes in later in the evening, lingering into Friday. Friday, as of right now, is an impact day. We'll see how strong that storm system gets for Friday. That could also bring us some snow accumulations. Then more cold on Saturday. Of course, Chiefs have a big game Saturday against Miami, that wild card game. Those wind chills, 10 to 20 below, single-digit temperatures for the game. That's why it's an alert day on Saturday. If you do have to be out, that's some dangerous cold there. It stays cold through at least the middle of next week.